taking inspiration from culture, from people, cultural affairs, what's going on around us. So this collection was inspired by, it's called Mail, and it's about, we've seen a bird eye view of a photo of a city. And what you see from there is, you see these really lovely, different shapes, organic and geometric that are formed. And that one photo actually inspired the entire collection. So what you see is a lot of patchwork in this collection.
It's inspired by a single photo.
No. You start with one photo and then you look at lots of other ones that talk about a similar kind of story. So that one photo that you see, you just see it and you start researching it further. And you take
Which photo you are talking about?
So there's a photo, it's a aerial bird's eye view photo of a city. And what you see in that is you see nature and you see buildings and nature. Yeah, so it's a mix of nature and of man-made. So the entire collection has lots of different elements that are inspired by nature and by man-made elements. And one of the things we took very strongly were the stripes and the different shapes and sizes. And so the stripes are not all equal. All the stripes are different sizes because everything isn't equal, everything isn't the same. And also there's a lot of patchwork, a lot of quilting. So we've added structure in the collection to talk about more man-made, elements, and we've got a lot of drapes. So even the garment that she's wearing on top, it's the way it's cut, it's actually got a drape in it. It's all reversible, you can wear it both ways. We try to put together elements which are like basically contrasting.